Okay, this is my homemade question. You have a polynomial, degree 7. We want to find their roots, or we want to factorize it. The same question. If you find the factors, you find the roots. You find the roots, you find the factors. Now this polynomial is equal to x to the power of 8 minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Okay, if you divide x to the power 8 minus 1 divided by x minus 1, you get this one. You get the polynomial as we want. Then x to the power 8 minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 multiplied by this polynomial, right? If you're looking for the roots, so let this be 0. So actually x to the power 8 minus 1 equal to 0, which means that x is equal to the 8th root of 1. 8th root of 1, which means the 8th root of unit. And you have 8 roots. Okay, this one you have 8 roots. One of which is a 1. The other 7 are the roots of this red polynomial. So we just find the 8 roots, then I delete 1. The remaining will be the roots we want. Okay, so 8th root of 1 is the root on the points on this unicircle. This is unicircle, right? This is a 1. This is 1 root. This is 1 root. And the other 7 roots are divided, the whole circle evenly. So next ones are here, 45 degrees apart. 45 degrees apart. 40 degrees apart. Okay, this is a 1, this is negative 1, this is I, this is a negative I, and this one will be root 2 over 2 plus root 2 over 2I. And this will be root 2 over 2 minus root 2 over 2I. The roots always are paired of conjugates. And this one will be negative root 2 over 2 plus root 2 over 2I. This one will be negative root 2 over 2 minus root 2 over 2I. So you have 8 roots. Okay. Then we delete that root. The 7 roots are the roots we want. So which means negative 1, this one. And you have a plus or minus I, right? And you have these two, root 2 over 2 plus or minus root 2 over 2I. And you have these two, negative root 2 over 2 plus or minus root 2 over 2I. So you have 7 roots for our polynomial. Okay, so once you find the roots, the factors are very easy, X minus the root is a factor. So we want to factorize this polynomial, right? We just take away x plus 1 will be a factor, because minus 1 is the root. So x plus 1 is a factor. Then x minus I is a factor. X plus I is a factor. Then x minus this, right? Minus root 2 over 2 plus root 2 over 2I, and x minus root 2 over 2 minus root 2 over 2I. Okay, and you have two more. The x plus root 2 over 2 minus root 2 over 2i, and x plus root 2 over 2 plus root 2 over 2i. Okay, you have 7 factors. You have 7 factors. But we don't like the complex factors, okay? So then we change this one to x plus square plus 1, right? And for these two, you have x plus minus root 2 over 2 square minus this is square, right? This is square is plus half. Yeah. And for these two, you have x plus root 2 over 2 square minus this is square equal to half. Okay, then we simplify into x squared plus 1, and this one will be x squared minus x squared minus root 2x, right? Plus half equal to 1. Okay? This is x squared minus root 2 plus root 2x, and plus half plus 1. See? So we have all four factors, without complex numbers. But we still don't like the polynomials with irrational coefficients. So we can further change into this is square plus 1, x squared plus 1. This becomes this x squared plus 1, right? X squared plus 1 minus this is squared. This is becomes 2x squared. Yeah. Okay. Then this is equal to x plus 1, x squared plus 1, and this will be x fourth and plus 1. So that is the factors of our polynomial. Okay. Once you find the root, you find the factors. You find the factors, you find the roots. Now here I'm using the unit circle to find the roots first. Then we find the factors. Okay, this is I think this is a very nice question and a very nice way to find the solution. Thank you for your watching.